Hello guys, welcome to Arma's Knowledge. Today I'm going to tell you in this video about the Facebook app, which is now available for Windows 10 users. All of you can download it and use it instead of going in the browser and using online. So you can download the Facebook app, which is now available in Microsoft Store. So let's look on it. You just open your Microsoft Store and come to the search, just type Facebook. Here you can see there are a lot of searches about Facebook, like you can see Facebook Watch, like for Facebook, Pages Manager for Facebook. Here is an app that is Facebook Beta. Just click on this and it is loading to that app. You will direct access to that app and you can download and easily you can use. Here you can see I'm on the page of Facebook app. Now Facebook app is any platform and platform you are keeping you can keep with the friends is faster than ever. This is a beta version of the Facebook experience for Windows 10. Now you can use your own Facebook app in Windows 10 instead of using it in any browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Just download this Facebook app and direct login your account in this, and you can easily use every time wherever you want. You can use this app in your Windows 10. And there is these are the screenshots of that app. You can see it is very smooth and fluent. The new updated Facebook app for Windows 10 in Windows 10. You can use it with your all wishes you want to have with it. And one thing to note is that this app requires the latest version of Microsoft Edge on Windows 10. Means you can't use this Facebook beta in the previous versions of Microsoft Edge that has been included in the previous versions of Windows. So you have to download first the new version of Microsoft Edge, then you can use the Facebook app in your Windows 10. Otherwise you can't use Facebook app. Okay, so guys, this was the video about Facebook. Now Facebook app is available for Windows 10. You can use every time whatever you want you can use in this Facebook app. So thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll meet in the next video. See you in the next one.